A pair of reed warblers has a nest of 5 precious eggs. These small, delicate birds have their work cut out. They take it in turns to incubate their unhatched offspring, while the other heads off to feed. And now, after 11 days, their first chick has hatched. He's blind and can barely hold his head up. The hard-working pair go into overdrive to feed their demanding firstborn. And while they leave the nest unattended, something strange starts to happen. The tiny, day-old chick is slinging out the other eggs. For him, there's only one way to establish yourself in this family. Get rid of the competition. But this is not a reed warbler. It's a cuckoo. 11 days ago, his mum snuck into the nest, removed one warbler's egg, and replaced it with her own, almost identical in appearance. Then she disappeared. And the industrious little warbler parents have no idea this outrageous imposter isn't theirs. He's accomplished the first part of his mission, to place himself centre of attention, the sole chick of the family.